and I'm back once again with another mukbang. I think it's called Burger King mukbang. That's exactly what I'm about to do today. So me and Wani Jr. is gonna do a mukbang today. Yay! Y'all see Wani Jr.? Say hi! Yay! Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing, I got chicken fries, this jalapeno cheese, I don't know what they call it, and I got some cheese sticks, and I got some onion wings, and some fries. My baby loves fries. Not enough salt, but I'm gonna grab my salt just in case. Yeah, if y'all hear some noise in the background, he cannot eat without his TV. And then I got the jaw. I'm about to try it out. I never had Burger King before. Yeah, I have, but only for some chicken nuggets. That was them. But yeah, I'm about to try it out. Their spicy chicken sandwich. Oh my god, you guys, look at it. Spicy chicken sandwich. Oh my god, I don't know that cheese. Wow, that's a lot. And I got my bacon combo, I think that's what it was. But yeah, we'll just get right into it. Should I see somebody? And then I'm gonna put my sauce. Too much. Everybody else are going out to Chili's, and I don't want chili. One second, you guys. Okay, before I get into it, I'm gonna do my little prayer. One of my oldest sister asked me, why don't you try Burger King mukbang? So I said, okay, I'll do it. Alright, y'all, bow your head and pray. Amen. Amen. Oh my god, you guys. I don't know what to start first. Really, I'm about to try both at the same time. My sea star loves the ocean. I thought I keep seeing someone behind me. Oh my god. Oh my god, these look good. That is big, y'all. That is big. What happened to your TV? Alright. So I'm gonna try this big old sandwich. I love bacon sandwich. You know what? That's good. Yeah, that's good. Very good. I didn't think, you know, every time my family was like, we're gonna go eat for lunch at Burger King, and I'm like, no, that's not what I want for lunch. I'm normally eating Subway, stuff like that. But the sandwich tastes really good. It tastes like you just got it off the drill. Not bad. I want another bite. That's not bad. And then they had some couple new things, so my sister asked me, you need to go up there and try it. At least try it. So I'm about to try it right now. This is jalapeno potato cheese. Nah. You okay? Going crazy. His TV went off. I think I should try the spicy sandwich. But that's a lie, y'all. Wow. Please don't hurt me. Not bad. Oh, that is hot. But not bad. That's hot. Oh, yeah. Y'all better run up there right now and try it out, this spicy chicken sandwich. That is the bomb. That is the bomb. Ooh. Is my baby okay? Ooh, this is the bomb. Yeah, that's the bomb. Wow. And then I'm gonna try my cheese stick for the first time over there. Not really. I only go in there for the chicken fries. And they are really good. Your baby will love it. Ha! Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. You mama baby? He mama baby. Hey, you mama baby? You mama baby all the way. Hang on, guys. I think he wants his bottle. Give me 1 second. He wanted his baba. Again, you guys, this I don't know if I want another bite of this. But I sure do want another bite of this.
That's fun.
Coconut I'm used to. He loved coconut. Watch what happened when I turned it on. Yo, I miss my baby with all his hair.
Am I going to be okay?
Only when his hair is a little messed up on this side all the time is when he just broke up. You try this, Papa? He ain't going for the onion ring. He knows his chicken nuggets, you guys. Oh, he knows. He ain't that crazy. Yo, I need y'all to go down into Burger King and get you guys a spicy sandwich before they not sell them anymore. They are really good. Really good. It's got that spice and the chicken. Oh, it tastes well done. The bomb. Then they had these onion wings. Oh my god, they're so little. And it just don't taste like onion rings all the way. I don't know what happened. They used to have the onion wings there, but they were big. Why little? Y'all, the spicy sandwiches are really bomb. I'm not gonna lie to you. Matter of fact, you guys should try. Take a bite. Look at that. Take this side. I don't know. I think I should try other places to see what's the difference between this spicy sandwich and the others. But this is the bomb. I can feel it. And this girl forgot to give me my barbecue sauce. It doesn't spice. When you're trying to take a bite of the fries or something, that spice is still there. That's really good. This is really good too. I don't know why I don't eat Burger King a long time ago. I was afraid to get fat, but come out pretty good. My mom, she loves Burger King. She eats there all the time. When the kids are in school, she eats there.
Mommy. Really? It's true. You fill my life with joy. You are
She goes to bingo, she'll stop and get her some food before she goes.
Really? It's true.
Oh, you know what? I'm kind of liking both of them.
Your mommy is the best.
You know, I eat McDonald's all the time.
Your mommy is the best. And
I can tell you this sandwich is really good, better than McDonald's. Yeah. Sorry, McDonald's.
all our favorite songs.
I'd love to be your mommy. Really?
Is this really cheesy or is
I have lots of joy. You are my
the sauce? I think it's the sauce.
joy.
It's not really cheese.
It's true. I love you. Our mommy is the best there ever was. Our mommy is
Mmm.
the best, and we
I love you.
She always takes good care of us, and she should be believed. She's the greatest mommy.
You know what?
She's the greatest.
I'm gonna get some more of this tomorrow. Huh. I can feel the heat.
We'll go out to the field today. We're going to run and play. We'll be on a team and have a race. We'll have so much fun.
Hey, mama, baby. Hey, mama, baby. You need to say, I love you. I love you. He's already learned how to say I love you. Here, Candy. I know you want one too. Come here. Candy. Deb. 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 No, you don't take it out of my hand. Deb. Hey. Hey, you gonna take it out of my hand? Here. Here. Candy. Okay. Okay. She's like, you better stay with me, please.
We'll go out to the field today. We're going to run and play. We'll be on a team.
I need to
So much fun. Put on the sound and jump, 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 jump as fast as you can. Put on the sound and jump, 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 jump as fast as you can. We'll go out to the field today.
He's so comfortable.
To run and play.
You guys, when I went and got his haircut, oh my God.
So much fun.
Alexander, when I first took him out and got his haircut, he gave me a hard way to go one, but the next time we went back, he was okay. But this one, he cannot stay still for anything. He just want to jump and go. He does not want to be held. Like right now, he don't want to be there. He wants to get out. Oh, and he gets that. Oh, that. Oh, yeah, I'm getting full. What happens to my TV again? Y'all, we're about to have a bad storm. I don't know. I'm about to give up at McDonald's for this. For this. The way you got the ketchup and mayonnaise together, you really can't taste that mayonnaise. Oh my God. When you go to Walmart and that, I mean Walmart.
For new Grace 100%.
McDonald's and them, it's just like too much mayonnaise. That's all you're tasting is mayonnaise. But this is the bomb. I don't like the sheet stick, the onion wings, or the jalapeno thing because not how I want it. And I also do like these fries. The chicken fries, you guys should try them. Especially for your kids. They love them. Right? You need to say, Layo. Say, Layo. We're best friends. Huh? Aww. Oh, I'm getting full, you guys. The kids and the dad has decided to go to Chili's. Chili's are not my type. A couple times I ordered food. Come on. I don't know if y'all see them that. But they bring your food out, it's not even all the way cooked. I ordered a little sandwich one time, the hamburger wasn't even cooked. How am I supposed to eat this? I was like, no. When it comes to me, I like my food well done. Well done. That spicy sandwich, whew, got me sweating. It's spice. Y'all want to try this? Y'all should get there right now and order you the spicy chicken sandwich at Burger King. When I ordered, I was like, are they super red like that? But darn, yeah, they are. It looks good. It looks really good. I'm full. See, you full? You full? Here, mama, baby. You want another one? You want another one? Alright, yeah. No, but you're gonna sit. 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 That's your girl. No. You bite me, I'm gonna bite you back. She takes her food and she goes and run. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. I am so full. I can't tell you how much I love this sandwich. I think I'm gonna have another one of this maybe next time. I never thought about, I thought maybe the hamburger might not be cooked all the way either. I don't even like go to Red Checkers either. And it's just like, they're never done. My husband ordered Checker before. He asked me to take a bite and I'm just like, it doesn't taste right at all. You know? So I'm just like, McDonald's, Burger King, any drive-thru are not my type of food, you know? But I'll give it a try. I'm glad I tried this. I'm glad I tried this. I should have just listened to my mom a long time ago. She's absolutely right. She even go after the sandwich. 2 for $4 or buy one and get one free. I thought Chinese was my mama's favorite food. Not really. You sleeping? He full too, you guys. You full too. You full too. No, you want to go to sleep. You don't want to go to sleep. You want to go to sleep? You ain't got 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 sleep? Candy, I can't give you no more chicken nuggets. No, I ain't giving you no more. I'm gonna make your food right now. I'm gonna make your food right now. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video. I am so full. I'm not the girl that will eat a lot, but I'm full. I can't tell you how much I like this sandwich already. But it's good. It's got bacon, cheese. It's just like a double cheeseburger. But these are big. Really big. I have never seen a big sandwich like that before. I mean, yeah, some places. I didn't think anything of it. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video because my dog is driving me crazy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Teddy. Here. Teddy, here. Come here. Come on. She don't want me to pick her up. That's why she's running away, because she think I'm gonna pick her up. She just don't want, you know, we all take turn holding her. She gets tired. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. But not forget to turn your notification on so you know I will be back with another banger for you. Alright, guys. Bye. Mwah. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Hey. Hey, no. Say bye. Say bye. He's looking at Candy over there on that side. He knows Candy too, you guys. He knows everything. Alright, bye. I'm bye. What the? Alright, guys. Make sure you guys are out there being safe, and there's a lot of stuff going on out there. Too much dangers and stuff. So make sure everyone out there are being safe and watch what's surrounding you, because it's hard to walk out there. It's hard to go places, and you have crazy people coming behind you, you know. It's crazy. We're trying to live our life, and, you know, other people out there are just, like, destroying others, you know? It's so sad. It's very, very sad. And plus, I've been following, Brian Laundrie case. Now, see, before Brian Laundrie case, I've been following Kanika drinking. My heart was, like, completely dropped for her, because what girl is going to run into a freezer on her own? I don't believe she went in a freezer on her own drunk. Alright? I was drunk before, and I know how to put myself into a spot. Okay? I don't believe she walked herself in a freezer. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, it's Kanika Drinkin's case. Follow her case, and you'll start from there, and you'll know a lot. And then, it's just like more and more things happen to others, and it's just like crazy. It's a shame. What did we all do that bad for this people to hurt other people, you know? It's just like, come on, grow up. You know, finding a job, is that hard for you guys to do? And now I'm sitting here just like following Brian Laundrie case, like, well, why? Why? You know? Why run? You know, I'm happy that they said they found him yesterday. I'm happy. But I guess he died. We don't know what happened. You know, it's just like, it got me thinking like, okay, his mom and dad don't want to help search the whole entire time for Gabby. Her name is Gabby. Now, see, Brian Laundrie, that's his girlfriend. And I believe he killed his girlfriend. Okay? A lot of story going on. And then now adding all this stuff like Brian Laundrie family found the body already and stuff. And it's just like, how do you know that location, you know? That was fast. So now you got me thinking, you know what? You really got something to do with this, you know? But you guys go ahead and take a look, because that's what I've been busy doing so much, is just following these cases and get the right answers out, trying to come up with the puzzles to put it together, because none of this makes sense, you know? And now it's just like, things are going crazy out there, you know? So I'm just letting all y'all know, please be out there to be safe. Watch what's surrounding you guys, okay? And I'm going to end this video until next time. Bye, guys. Mwah.